In India, personal mobility enables women's liberation. Hero Pleasure has pioneered women's personal mobility since 2005. But it has one big enemy: society's judgment about women's driving. From how they drive to how they park, women's driving has been made a target of ridicule, and the so-called harmless jokes were creating serious harm. It was denting the confidence of girls even before they got on the wheels and discouraging them from buying two-wheelers. Bad news for the society and Hero Pleasure. We realized that this was not just society's judgment on women's driving, but actually its resistance to women's liberation, and was being expressed through an innocuous yet deeply derogatory statement, "Lagta hai ladki chala rahi hai." When translated, it meant if somebody is driving badly, it must be a girl. A phrase that was being used to pigeonhole a gender. We took on society's resistance to women on the riding seat and used that very phrase to put the naysayers under spotlight and show what all liberated women were driving.
फिर से जाम।
पक्का लड़की ही चला रही होगी।
थैंक यू अंकल। एटलीस्ट आपने नोटिस किया, लड़की ही चला रही है।
उड़ी 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 जा रही है, लड़की चला रही है, बड़ी 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 जा रही है, लड़की चला रही है, हियत लगा रही, जीना सिखा रही, देश बना रही, जोश जगा रही, शोर मचा रही, चुप करा रही, मस्ती चढ़ा रही, लड़की चला रही। Yo, she's the one, why she boys have all the fun?
क्या कह रहे थे अंकल?
अच्छा है कि लड़की चला रही है।
हमारे आज को जो चला रही है वो चला रही है द न्यू हीरो प्लेजर प्लस एक्सटेंड।
It instantly became the voice of young girls. So much that we launched it as an independent song. On Women's Day, we took on the trollers with a pan-India anthem featuring the real women in riding seats. We were able to provoke right debates in media.
लड़कियां बस कैची की तरह अपनी जुबान चला सकती हैं और कुछ नहीं। अक्षर जी, आंख कान खोलकर दुनिया देखिए, दुनिया भर में लड़कियां घर से लेकर दुनिया चला रही हैं।
Global business leaders amplified it. To celebrate the real women in riding seats, we put them on our scooters. What a time to say this, when the nation chose a woman in the driving seat. And our campaign made the world say,
अच्छा है कि लड़की चला रही है।